Jay-Z with Gets Digital Marketing, and today I'm going to do a review on Builderall. If you're a web designer, an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, business owner who just wants to reach out to new clients using sales funnels and a bunch of other cool tools without breaking the bank, hang tight because this video is just for you. Welcome back, and first things first, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos just like this one. Now, let's get into the Builderall review and why my company uses Builderall. Builderall is a full-service online application that allows you to create websites, sales funnels, and autoresponder emails, and more. With its beautiful dashboard and beautiful icons, you can select any of these features at ease. With Builderall, you get hundreds of beautiful layouts and templates, and you also get all kinds of different categories, from photography to entertainment to video. All of these are included with parallax and static pages. Pixel Perfect makes editing a breeze. You can drag and drop any element wherever you want on the screen and group them inside boxes. You can also create pop-up windows that fit all platforms: desktop, tablet, and mobile. You got social proof, counters, and SEO reporting tools that'll help your website get to the top 10 of those search engines. Builderall's Mailing Boss editor will help you create beautiful campaigns with emails that contain HTML and images at a breeze. The Mailing Boss workflow will help you to visually create your lists and to be able to set the time and day those emails will go out. Builderall also has so many other tools like ClickMap to tell where your customers are clicking on your site, to chat bots from Facebook, script generators, and e-learning. Builderall has 3 different plans, and as promised, it's not going to break the bank. The first one, as you can see, comes in under $10 a month. The second plan, Digital Marketing, is just under $30 a month. Now, what are the differences between the first and the second? Is that the second one contains more disk storage space, and you can also hook up to 15 domain names. Well, now that you know why my company uses Builderall, I'm going to leave a 7-day trial link below in the description box. And if you'd like a free sales funnel, completely free, just contact me on Facebook. I promise I'll get back to you. All right, and as always, we get you going. What's up?
It was good.
Yeah?
Poppy, the McDonald's let us play for a little bit. Here. Hi, Poppy.
What do you mean, what's up? Where'd you get that from, buddy?
What's up?
I guess I do say what's up, huh? Pretty funny, buddy. Okay, but I can't. I'm working, buddy. I can't have you here now, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, buddy. Okay.
I love you, Poppy. I love you, Poppy.
I love you too, buddy. And I love you.